Alright guys, we are here at the Acura RDX 2014 and the customer has this key. The button are not working, but the proximity are not working. The only way he can start it is just you have to put it next to the car right here and he can turn the ignition on. Unfortunately, if the proximity is not working, you cannot program this key. If you want to add another key, you have to do all key lost. So this key is gonna be deleted. You cannot just click add a key because it will ask you for this key. Try to read the proximity signal, and if it's not working, no way you can add it. And so what I'm gonna do all key lost, and I did use the Xhorse Tool Plus. The problem if you're doing all key lost, it asks you to turn the ignition on. If you cannot turn the ignition on, the tool trying to turn the ignition on, but the Key Tool Plus failed for some reason. Maybe need update, or you need to just turn it off, turn it on. But I'm just gonna show you using the AutoProPAD. Always handy if you have two tools. And let's start from here. Key programming. Agree. Go to Acura and auto search. So please turn the ignition on. So here it asks you to turn the ignition on. You cannot. You just press no, and then you press and hold the button until the ignition turn on. There we go. The key tool show me message here, failed to turn the ignition on. Alright, let's go okay. And okay. So from here you go smart key, neck to start, or button is a button. So we click OK. Turn the ignition on. Yes, the ignition is on. Alright, here add a smart key or all key lost. So we're gonna do all key lost. Click OK. Yes, it's on. Number of keys, we just put 1. The good thing is you don't need 2 keys to start the car. 1 key is fine. So this is the key. Turn the ignition off. The ignition is off. Now we can ask you to turn the ignition on. The ignition is on. You press it 2 times. Again off and on. Off and on. Program success. That's it. Click OK. Turn the ignition off. Alright. So now able to start the car. So yeah, as we said, this key will not work anymore. So I just tell customer this is the only key he have. If he want another key, he have to buy another one, which is this one is not working anymore. Alright guys, if you guys have any idea why this one didn't work, couldn't turn the ignition on by pressing no, let me know, and I may just update it or turn it off, turn it on, since I don't have time to just do that. Alright, thank you for watching.